बच्चे हमारा मुस्तकबिल और मुल्क कौम का अजीम सरमाया है। इनको मनशियात से बचाकर इनका मुस्तकबिल रोशन किया जा सकता है।
इसी सिलसिले में डंडी इस्लामिक सेंटर में अवामी सतह पर मनशियात के मुतालिक शऊर व आगाही वर्कशॉप का एहतमाम किया गया। कैसर हबीब की रिपोर्ट।
पॉलिस, स्कॉटलैंड, चिल्ड्रन फर्स्ट और डंडी सिटी काउंसिल के ज़रिए एहतमाम डंडी इस्लामिक सेंटर में नौजवान नस्ल को मंशियात की लानत से बचाने के मुतालिक वर्कशॉप का इनेकाद किया गया, जिसमें मुकामी अफराद ने भरपूर शिरकत की। मुकामी फलाही इदारों ने नुमाइंदगान से मंशियात की तबाहकारियां और उनके मुआशरे पर बुरे असरात के बारे कहा कि ये लत किसी भी बाशऊर मुआशरे को अपाहज बना देती है। हुकूमत, फलाही इदारे और अवाम मिलकर इसका सदेबाब करें तो शायद इसमें कमी हो सकती है। स्कॉटलैंड पुलिस के नुमाइंदे पैट्रिक ने शुरका को मंशियात रखने, बेचने और इस्तेमाल पर कानूनी सजाओं के मुतालिक आगाही दी। उन्होंने किसी भी शख्स से मंशियात बरामदगी और इस्तेमाल को जांचने का अमली मुजाहिरा करके दिखाया।
Dundee has the worst rate in Scotland at 0.31 per thousand population, which was 66 drug deaths last year. And for a city the size of Dundee, that is something which we should all be concerned about.
डंडी इस्लामिक सेंटर के चेयरमैन बशीर चौहान और दीगर ने कहा कि इन्हें अपने बच्चों की रोजमर्रा सरगर्मियों और सोहबत पर नजर रखनी चाहिए। इनको गाहे बगाहे इन मुआशरती बुराइयों के बारे में आगाही वालिदैन की अव्वलीन तरजीह में शामिल होनी चाहिए।
Just want to come along today and we want to raise awareness in relation to addiction. We've spoken today about making references to alcohol and also in relation to drugs. We have seen a number of issues across Dundee over recent probably months in relation to substance abuse, and we've taken the opportunity to come along today to speak to the well attendants at the mosque with regards to substance abuse, the partner support and mechanisms that are available to help us deal with that, as well as the police element with regards to the punishments that can come along if somebody is found in possession of a controlled drug. My colleague Patrick will just outline the 3 different drugs that we come across and the punishments that can be imposed by a court if it was to be reported to the Crown in relation to an offence.
We've been at the Dundee Central Mosque today, and I've been talking about what can happen when people who have been caught with in possession of certain drugs, so class A drugs such as heroin and crack cocaine. If you're caught in relation to the production and supply of these drugs, that can be a maximum life imprisonment. Class B drugs such as cannabis, if you're concerned and in the concern and supply of those drugs, that's a maximum sentence of 14 years imprisonment. And for Class C drugs such as diazepam and temazepam, that can be a maximum of 5 years imprisonment for the production and control of those said drugs.
Today I'm just going to talk about the different substances that are on this board to raise awareness of the dependency that can become from these substances.
I was delighted to attend the event today at Central Mosque with my other colleagues. The best thing about working in Dundee is I work with some really good people who are willing to give up their time and support the community of Dundee. I was asked, what do we need to do? I think that we need to be communicating, we need to be working in partnership with one another to support not only the Muslim community but the community of Dundee in general. And we can do that by having more events like this.
We work with families to alleviate problems encountered throughout drug use. We tend to work through early intervention, trying to recognise issues prior to them becoming a problem, and there's no judgment. We work with families to bring them each other together and to work on relationships. We have a lot of relational tools that we can use to support families, but a lot of it is about connection, about relationships.
Today we've come down to meet everybody at the mosque along with our colleagues. Today we really wanted to raise awareness of Children First and the support that we offer to families in the Dundee area, those families that are impacted by drugs or alcohol or addiction problems.
वर्कशॉप के आखिर में हाजरीन नुमाइंदगान से घुल मिल गए और हर मुमकिन सवाल उनके जवाब दिए जाने लगे। हाजरीन और मेहमानों को रिफ्रेशमेंट पेश की गई।